Welcome. Today, we're comparing two powerful storage solutions, Nextcloud and TrueNAS. Nextcloud is an open source file share and collaboration platform, allowing you to control where your data is stored and who has access to it. TrueNAS, on the other hand, is an open source storage operating system offering robust data protection features. It's designed for enterprise level storage needs. TrueNAS is loaded with features like file sharing, data protection, and snapshots. It also supports different protocols like SMB, AFP, NFS, ISCSI, and FTP. Nextcloud, on the other hand, offers file sharing, online document editing, calendar and contact synchronization, and more. It also has a marketplace for additional apps, enhancing its functionality. Nextcloud offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface with easy navigation and setup. TrueNAS, while offering a clean and efficient interface, can be a bit complex for beginners due to its extensive features and settings. Both platforms offer web-based interfaces and mobile apps for access on the go. Nextcloud offers numerous integrations via its marketplace, including for productivity tools, communication, media, and security apps. TrueNAS, while not featuring a marketplace, offers plugins for various services like Plex, Nextcloud itself, and backup solutions, providing flexibility in its usage. TrueNAS provides robust performance, especially in enterprise environments, due to its efficient ZFS file system and support for high-speed networks. Nextcloud's performance can be influenced by the hosting environment, but is generally reliable for file syncing and sharing needs. Both Nextcloud and TrueNAS take security seriously. Nextcloud offers end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, and brute force protection. TrueNAS uses ZFS for data integrity and supports encryption, two-factor authentication, and network security features, providing a high level of data protection. TrueNAS offers professional support with their paid version, TrueNAS Enterprise. Nextcloud provides professional support for businesses, and both have active community support. In terms of scalability, both can handle increasing data needs, with TrueNAS having a slight edge due to its enterprise-grade capabilities. Nextcloud is ideal for individuals, small to medium businesses, and anyone looking for a self-hosted cloud storage solution. TrueNAS is best suited for IT professionals, small to large businesses, and users with significant storage needs requiring robust data protection. It's a tough call, but for overall flexibility and ease of use, Nextcloud edges out TrueNAS. Nextcloud's user-friendly interface, variety of integrations, and robust security features make it a great choice for a wide range of users. TrueNAS, while powerful, requires more technical knowledge and is more suited to enterprise environments. Thanks for watching. We hope this comparison was helpful in understanding the strengths of Nextcloud and TrueNAS. Please give us a like if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons like this one. Until next time.